Frontline workers are the backbone of countless industries around the world, engaging directly with customers and clients every day. Their roles demand technology that is both powerful and flexible to ensure seamless experiences. With Workspace ONE, IT has the tools to empower these essential workers. Whether staging new devices, configuring and customizing shared or multi-user devices, or leveraging valuable analytics and automations, Workspace ONE provides secure, managed devices that elevate both employee and customer experiences. Easily stage new devices with zero-touch enrollment and configuration. You have the option to use QR code, barcode, and sideload enrollment, including OS and manufacturer-specific enrollment methods. For example, to generate a QR code, you simply need to set up Wi-Fi, install Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub to ensure access to necessary apps, select authentication and login options, and voila, a scannable QR code to enroll employee devices. Workspace ONE Launcher lets IT adapt shared devices to any use case with fully customizable interfaces designed to match your brand's identity. This flexibility ensures your teams have access to exactly what they need, enhancing focus and productivity. To configure devices in Launcher, you simply create a new profile and add Launcher. You can select between 3 different modes to support various shared device use cases, including single app, multi-app, and template mode. For example, in multi-app mode, we can set up an Android device with specific apps that warehouse staff can use during a shift. Workspace ONE Intelligence empowers IT with data-driven decision-making and proactive automation, allowing teams to address challenges before they arise and optimize device performance. Through the Devices section of the Intelligence Console, you gain a comprehensive view of the deployment, including insights into platform usage, ownership types, and device enrollment by organization groups. Customizable dashboards for battery health, device utilization, and shared devices provide focused analytics to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Here in the Device Utilization dashboard, you can view any devices that are at risk of being lost because they're not currently being charged and have low battery. Based on this data, you can then set up automated workflows, such as sending notifications to devices or creating help desk tickets for devices at risk. Empower your employees to do their best work. With Workspace ONE, experience the next level of workforce mobility, security, and productivity.